In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine Gmail and Godaddy email together. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Gmail. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page. Here you'll find a little gear icon which stands for Settings. Go ahead and click on that icon. This is your gateway to customizing everything about how your Gmail functions, so it's worth knowing your way around. Within the settings menu, you'll encounter a tab labelled Accounts and Import. Take a moment to find it, and once you do, click on it. This section offers a wide range of features related to how you can manage different email accounts within Gmail. Essentially, it's the control center for everything concerning accounts and importing. Now, as you scroll through the Accounts and Import page, look for a section titled Check Mail from Other Accounts. This section handles settings related to fetching emails from your other email addresses directly into your Gmail account. It's super convenient to fetch emails from other accounts, so you don't need to constantly switch between multiple email clients. Once you've located that section, you'll see an option to add a mail account. Click on this option. This step is crucial for linking your Godaddy email to your Gmail. Clicking this opens a small pop-up box that will guide you through the process of adding your mail account. In this pop-up, you'll need to enter your Godaddy email address. Ensure you're typing it correctly to avoid any issues later on. After entering your email address, click Next. The following steps will get a bit technical, so stay with me. You'll be asked to decide how you want your emails to be managed within Gmail. Opt for the option called Import Emails from My Other Account, POP3, then hit Next. Now you'll be asked to provide detailed information like your Godaddy username and password. Always double check this information for any typos, as it's crucial for Gmail to access your Godaddy account. Additionally, you'll need to enter the mail server and port number for Godaddy's email service. You can usually find this information on Godaddy's support site or contact their customer service if you're unsure. After entering all the necessary information, go ahead and click Add Account. You're almost done. Gmail will begin to check and fetch emails from your Godaddy email. This process might take a little time depending on how many emails you have, so be patient. And voila, you are done. With these steps, your Gmail will now start to pull emails from your Godaddy account, neatly organizing them all in one unified inbox. This helps streamline your emailing process, making sure you never miss an important message. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.